I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the assets you need: the base reload animation, sound cues, and the weapon model. Open your working scene and confirm frame rate and root motion so timing stays consistent. Once done, import or link the FBX, WAV, and textures into a staging folder. Make sure to create a backup of the project first, because you will iterate. Now mark the animation length and keyframes where the mag leaves, insert, and bolt release happen. This guides the next step. You now refine the animation timing and layer structure. Use your editor to trim or extend clips so actions align to within 0.1 seconds at key contact points. Then add IK targets for hands and adjust root offsets for natural weapon movement. Insert sound events precisely on the frames where magazine drops or clicks occur, and blend additive layers for recoil and bolt motion with animation masks so they don't affect the hands. Once done, preview in slow motion to catch micro timing issues and iterate. You finish by integrating the reload into the game. Connect it to the state machine, set transition rules, and test under real input conditions. Run multiple playthroughs to confirm timing, sound sync, and weapon hold across camera angles. If performance drops, optimize with compression, LOD, and pooled audio events. If something looks off, isolate root motion and IK, then remap problematic frames. This single troubleshooting tip: toggle root motion off to see whether position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.